If you are listening to this right now, it is possible that there is a lot of noise within you. Not outside, inside. Someone must have said something. Someone must have ignored you. Someone must have doubted your intentions, and you became silent. But inside, a storm is raging. You smile, but inside, you are writing answers. You move forward, but your mind keeps turning back. Listen, what is about to be said today can change you. If you only listen, not let it enter within. Many people are sensitive, but sensitivity and carrying a burden are two different things. You have learned to take everything to heart, and that is why you are tired. Today, you must learn a new art, ignoring. But the kind of ignoring that is not cowardice, the ignoring that is maturity. If you feel this is connected to your life, stay until the end and write just one true feeling, one thought. I am alone. Now understand, every word that someone throws at you is not yours, like every stone on the road is not yours. But what do? Someone tells you you don't understand, and you catch that sentence. You hold it to your chest. You turn it over in your mind all night. Why? Because you seek your identity from outside. Those who praised you made you bloom. Those who criticized you broke you. This means the thread of your life is not in your hands. The truth is, what people say is a mirror of their mind, not yours. If someone insults you, they are spewing their own frustration. If someone tries to belittle you, they are lost in the illusion of their own height. But why do you give space in your heart to every voice? Is your heart a public square where anyone can throw trash? Learn to ignore, but first understand what ignoring really is. Ignoring is not suppression. Ignoring does not mean not listening. Ignoring means hearing, but not letting it make a home inside. Like clouds pass by, and the sky lets them go. The sky never fights the clouds. It doesn't ask why they came. It simply does not let them settle. You be the sky. People are clouds. Some will be white, some black. Some will rain, some will only thunder. But if you catch every cloud, you will not be the sky. You will become a storm. Since childhood, you have been taught, what will people say? This is the greatest poison, because then every decision is based on others' eyes. You laugh carefully, speak fearfully, love with conditions, and when someone judges you, you tremble inside. Why? Because you have not given yourself your own approval. Ignoring is possible only when you trust your truth. If you know who you are, no one can shake you. If you are unaware of yourself, anyone can define you. Understand this small fact. Every person lives in the prison of their experiences. Those who have not received love are bitter. Those who have not received respect will belittle others. Those who are insecure inside will be aggressive outside. Now, when someone is harsh with you, they are not against you. They are acting from the side of their own pain. If you understand this, your perspective will change. You will stop reacting. Reaction always comes from a wound. But if there is no wound, how can there be a reaction? People's words sting because somewhere you also believe them. If someone calls you foolish and you know inside that you are aware, the word becomes air. But if there is doubt within, the word becomes an arrow. So, before ignoring, self-awareness is necessary. Ignoring is inner peace. It means I will decide which energy enters me. You guard your home's doors. You do not let strangers in. But why do you not guard the doors of your mind? Look carefully. Most of your pain does not come from reality, but from imagination. Someone said something once. You repeated it 100 times. You made a story out of it. You made a future. You broke relationships.
and that person may not even remember it now. Ignoring is stopping your mind's story. It says, let what happened pass. Let what was said stay there. Do not lift it on your head. You think being sensitive is great. Yes, sensitivity is beautiful, but if there is no wisdom in it, it becomes self-inflicted pain. Look at a rose. It is soft, but it has thorns. Softness does not mean you get hurt by every touch. Today, try this. When someone says something about you, do not react immediately. Pause for a moment inside. Ask, is this true? If true, improve. If not, smile. In both cases, pain is unnecessary. Remember, the world does not need your interpretation. Those who need to understand will understand without words. Those who want to misunderstand will do so even after your 1,000 explanations. Ignoring is your dignity. It says, I do not consider every battle worth fighting. Take a deep breath. Notice your heart. Notice your mind. Decide right now which thoughts you will let in and which words you will release to the wind. Carry this calm, this awareness into your day. Start small. Choose one moment to pause before reacting. And remember, your peace is yours to protect. You are the sky. Let the clouds pass. Be still. Be aware. Be free.